Finding the electron configuration of an element is relatively easy. In this video I will show you two ways in which you can determine the electron configuration of every element. Now we can use an image like this to determine the energy levels of the atomic orbitals. Since the electrons populate the atomic orbitals from the lowest energy to the highest, we can simply write the electron orbitals from the lowest energy to the highest and add the appropriate number of electrons to each orbital. Now to do this for iron, I start in this location and where we have the 1s orbital. So in the s orbitals you can place 2 electrons. Now when we follow the arrow we come to end here and then we start the next one and go on. Then we have the 2s orbital, which can contain 2 electrons. And then we continue and we come here to the 2p, which can contain 6 electrons. So now I have a total of 10 electrons. So then next is 3s with their 2. And we come to the end, then we start again, then it's 3p with 6, and we have 4s with 2. Now I have 20 electrons, and iron has 26 electrons. So then we end on 3d, and we place 6 electrons there because then we have completed the number of electrons needed for the iron atoms. Now there's another way to do this by simply using the periodic table, and I want to show you that. Now here I have a periodic table that I have changed a bit, and you can see that I've added the atomic orbitals in their appropriate place in the periodic table. Now if we are finding the electron configuration of iron using this method, I simply need to find iron in the periodic table, which is actually located right here. Now that means that iron has the same electron configuration as argon, which would then be, just maybe I'll write it down here, be the same as argon plus 4s, which is filled. So we have 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons in the 3d. So like this. So now we have two ways of finding the electron configuration. Now by using the periodic table I could also find this complete electron configuration by simply going from 1s here, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, and then 3d. But the good thing about this version is really easy to remember this picture here, so if you need to draw it up yourself. So I hope this short video will help you with finding the electron configuration for the elements.